And the next step in creating a funnel is getting more traffic that you own. Okay, this right here, this page shows how we get more traffic that we own. It's by having a good opt-in page, by having the bait, right? We have the email opt-in, whether it's a free video that we're giving away, a free PDF, a free top 3 secrets to wealth, whatever it may be. It could be free, something of value. We're going to give that to the person that opts into our ad in exchange for an email. Okay, so they opt into our email submit. Okay, they put their email in. We give them the free video on the thank you page. Okay, they get the video, and we can automate this through MailChimp. Okay, we could do all of this through MailChimp. For essentially, you can do it for free on MailChimp because your first 2,000 subscribers are free. And I'll show you how to do this with the email automation system. But we have our opt-in page. They give us the email. We give them the free PDF, free video. And then our next sequence in the email would be our affiliate offer. Okay, and it's going to be something lower on the value ladder, and I'll show you in the next slide what exactly a value ladder is. Okay, so let's go to that. All right, so this slide is navigating your customers up the value ladder. Okay, we started off, this is a value ladder for a dentist, right? They give away a free teeth cleaning. As you can see, this is going to be lower on the value ladder because it's free. The price was free. And then the next product would be teeth whitening, which is going to cost the customers, the clients, some money because you are providing additional value, right? So for our offer, we give away a free PDF, a free video, webinar, whatever it may be. And then in the next sequence of emails, we're going to give them our affiliate offer, okay? If we're in the business and entrepreneurship niche, maybe it's the book that taught you the 3 secrets to wealth, okay? We're going to affiliate offer that book, which is a low ticket item between $4 and $10, something low ticket, because that's going to qualify them as a buyer, okay? We've already qualified them as a subscriber to our email list. They were more than happy to give us their email in exchange for the free video, free PDF. Now we got to qualify them as a buyer. And how do we do that? We have low ticket items, affiliate offers such as books that are anywhere from $2 to $10 on Amazon, a very low ticket item. We get them in there, and then we could walk them up the value ladder or up different affiliate offers. So higher ticket items for our affiliate offers within the niche that we're affiliate marketing. Okay. So as value increases, so does the price, right? And this is going to be like the email opt-in page, right? This is then going to be the next email. We have a multiple sequence of emails, and I'm going to show you how to do that in the following video. This one, I just wanted to go over the theory of a sales funnel and the value ladder, okay? So the last part is understanding your traffic, right? Now you have the traffic you own, okay? But you have to know how to get this traffic, okay? And the only way to do that is to understand what traffic temperature they are. Is it a hot lead, a warm lead, a cold lead? And there's a difference between the 3. You're not gonna send the same Facebook ad to a hot lead that you would to a cold lead. It just doesn't make sense because a cold lead doesn't even know who you are. They don't know anything about your offer, right? And you're basically sitting in a restaurant and yelling out, "I'll show you how to do affiliate marketing and make money online." No one understands in that restaurant is going to know what you're talking about. They're going to be like, "Who's this crazy guy yelling out something about affiliate marketing? I don't even know what affiliate marketing is." Okay. That's an example of a bad ad, right? You wouldn't want to give that type of ad to a cold lead. So let's kind of go over the difference between the leads. Okay, a hot lead would be they know you, right? They know your product can satisfy their desire. Example, YouTube subscribers, your email list, people that already know you, okay? People that already have followed you, they know everything about you, they know your product, can satisfy their desire, okay? So how would you market to a hot lead? Your product should be in the headline, okay? Example, escape the 9 to 5 by discovering the 3 investing secrets revealed in Money Master the Game by Tony Robbins. Okay, this is your product, Money Master the Game by Tony Robbins. You're affiliate marketing that book. Therefore, it should be in the headline because you're marketing to a hot lead, someone who's already in your email list, someone who's a Facebook friend or YouTube subscriber. A warm lead would be someone that knows you, but they're not aware of your product, just the desire. Okay, maybe they just found out about you, they just subscribed, they just started following you. The desire should be in the headline if you're marketing to a warm lead. Okay, so escape the 9 to 5 by discovering the 3 secrets to retire you faster. Okay, you see how the product is not in the headline? It's just the desire, retiring faster, right? People want to retire faster, so we're going to market that desire in the headline to the warm lead. Okay, cold leads. Cold leads would be, you're going to probably be dealing mostly with cold leads when Facebook advertising for your affiliate marketing business. Okay, if you're Instagram advertising, Facebook advertising, you're mostly going to have cold leads. So you want to design your advertisement to fit the lead. Okay, these are people that they're not aware of what they seek, but they are concerned with the general problem. Okay. So your headline starts with the problem. Example, are you tired of being underpaid for your efforts, having a boss over your shoulder, and working countless hours? Here are the 3 secrets that will help you escape this. Okay, as you can see, it's not talking about the desire, it's not talking about the product, it's talking about the problem. Okay, the 9 to 5, that's the problem. Being underpaid, having a boss over your shoulder, working countless hours, that's the problem. Not enough time, right? People are losing time because they're working a 9 to 5. So that is the difference between leads, a hot lead, a warm lead, a cold lead. Obviously, once we get the lead over the bridge, okay, we have a pre-frame, what's called a pre-frame. A pre-frame is setting them up for your opt-in, right? Because, again, if your cold lead doesn't even know what affiliate marketing is, we have to help them understand, okay? If they don't know what investing is, right? Because the example was, the product that we're affiliate marketing is the book Money Master the Game by Tony Robbins. If your lead doesn't know what investing is, then they don't care about, the 3 investing secrets. They don't even know what investing is. So your pre-frame is going to be, explaining what investing is. Okay, investing. There are stocks out there, companies like Apple and Chevron, companies that will pay you a dividend, which is cash, 4 times a year for owning their stock. That's investing. Okay, when you buy these stocks, these companies are going to pay you cash dividends 4 times a year. That's investing. Okay, and then you give them your 3 secrets. Okay, that is the pre-frame. With a hot lead, they already know what investing is. They just want to hear about the product. So give them your opinion on the product. Share with them what you thought about the book. Okay, warm lead is going to be kind of similar. So that's what a pre-frame is. It's getting them set up for the opt-in, because they don't want to watch that video if they don't even understand what investing is, because once you start talking, they're already lost. Or if you give a free PDF, once they start reading, they're already lost. So kind of explain that in your advertisement, which is the pre-frame. Set them up for success. Okay, and once they they submit their email, now you can walk them up the value ladder and qualify the buyers, okay, with your first affiliate offer, which is going to be a little bit lower ticket item, okay? Qualify them, because the people that actually buy the book are most likely going to buy from you again something a little bit more expensive, and you could send that in your sequence of emails. And I'll go over that in the next video, but I hope this one helped you understand the value ladder, what a sales funnel is, and a good strategy to follow when running Facebook advertisements. And obviously, we got to own our traffic, okay? So build up your email list, use MailChimp, start building it up one at a time. If you get one email a day, you're light years ahead of everyone else, because emails are king when it comes to affiliate marketing. So I hope you enjoyed this, and take care.